Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation Store purchasing errors on your PlayStation 5. So if you're trying to buy something through the PlayStation Store and it's simply not working, there's some things that you can go ahead and try. Now the first thing you might want to try is simply restarting your PlayStation by going down to where it says power right here, and then just simply restarting it. Close all games and apps and restart your PlayStation 5. Then go up to settings, and then you can go to users and accounts. Then go on down to where it says other, and go to the right and try restoring the licenses on your PlayStation 5. If you become unable to use content that you downloaded through the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses, so you can try that. Also, you can go to console sharing offline play and just enable your console for offline play and console sharing. Also, you could try going to sign out of your PlayStation account, and then you could try signing back in. Now, another thing that I've done in the past is I went to where it says users and accounts, and then under accounts, I went to payment and subscriptions. Then choose your credit card and add an amount of funds to your wallet. So you can choose 60. Then you can come back into the section and then you can do like $10 or something like that. And once you add funds to your wallet, you can go back to the PlayStation Store, go on over to your cart, and then you can just purchase everything under here. So I added $70 to my account. I should be able to buy some of these games. So I might actually have to add like $75 or a little bit more to my account. So just add the funds and then you should be able to purchase them. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.